Each year, as barren winter buds into spring, the Church relives an extraordinarily human story. Join us this Holy Week as we follow Jesus' final days on earth, from great joy to deep sorrow. On Palm Sunday, we welcome Christ as King, not yet understanding that the road to salvation must first drop into shadow. On Maundy Thursday, we face the startling call to love each other through service and humility. On Good Friday, the curtain falls, crushing our understanding of life and love. On Saturday, we sit in dark and silent vigil, recalling our history till light breaks through. And on Easter Sunday, we rise in hope that life triumphs over death. This Holy Week, this Easter, and always, the Episcopal Church welcomes you.